Hey guys, so it's the next day, which means it's Wednesday. I always keep on saying it's the next day. I hope you guys are good. So we're carrying on with stuff from the car. So I did two loads before I filmed this video because I didn't have time earlier on. But I am proud to say I got 10 boxes of 30 pack hangers. Guys, these are like velvet hangers. So I hope that this velvet suede, is it velvet or suede? Whatever it is. It says suede. It's supposed to be suede. But yeah. So I got 10 boxes of these, right? And it's a mixture of this cream color, you guys can see. There's the cream and it's got like gold hangers, gold detail, which doesn't really matter to me, but there's different colors. I think 4 or 5 different colors. So babe will probably use mostly the black, this brown beige color, and probably the green, because I do not think he will use pink. He might also not like this green. Can you see? Then I got this green. This is the green. It's called green, yeah. And there's gray, so he'll probably use the gray. You see, this is gray and it has silver handles, so it's got different color handles. And where's the other color? Okay, I don't have the pink here, guys. I'll probably have to show you guys the pink, but I thought this would be the last haul that I'm showing you guys, because I only got 4 boxes here. There's still 6 boxes in the car, which will come in probably tomorrow. We'll see how the day goes. Then for the guest bathroom, let's move you guys back again. For the guest bathroom, I got these. Not these, this. I was thinking of the hangers because now I wanted to go back to the hangers. Anyways, what I was about to say is I'm actually going to take the hangers in the main bedroom right now, because those are the ones that belong here, and move them to babe, and I'll start using these ones for my clothes in the main closet. But anyways, for the bathroom, the guest bathroom, because it's a shower over the tub, so there's the rod already there. So I got these brown beige colors because it's brown there, so I want to keep with the theme. I don't want to put like a different color. We'll obviously see how things go, because I'm not a decor person, guys, so I'm just trying to play it safe. But you guys have seen the theme is like browns, like I said, like your earthy tones. I wanted to put a splash of green, but then I thought there's already a lot of contrasting browns in the bathroom. I don't want to add like another color just yet. I'll see how it goes as time goes by. But again, for an apartment that we don't have yet, but I know we're going to be moving there. So this set is a 17-piece set. They count these hooks. Guys, can you see these hooks are so cute? These are nice. Like, they're not your simple round hooks. But anyways, they count these as single pieces. That's why it's 17. There's a mat. There's only one mat, which means that I need to buy at least another mat, because this one will stay in front of the tub, and then there'll be another one that will, or I'll get a different one for the tub. I'll see. But I need to get like a similar color. This is the curtain. It's got a soap dish, which if the bathtub doesn't have a soap dish, I'll put this one there, or I'll put it in the main bedroom if the main bedroom doesn't have a soap dish, because there's a tub in the main bedroom as well. Toothbrush and toothpaste holder. I hope there's a side. Doesn't look like there's a side for the toothpaste. And the soap dispenser. You guys saw that I already said that I will be using that other thing I showed you guys already, the one that I'll be using for the guest bathroom, the one that I'll use for hand lotion. So that one is already in the bathroom, so now I need to add this to the bathroom. I don't know which side it opens at, because I am starting now. Like I said, guys, I am not waiting until I get there's still more tape. I'm not waiting until we get to the new place, just because I just want to start using our things, and I just want to feel at home here as well. We've got like a week and a half. I won't use the mat obviously, because I will need to get a new mat. Guys, do you know this? Do not buy mats with these things at the bottom. Yes, it helps grip on the floor, But this comes off. The more you wash it in the washing machine, it comes off, it breaks off, and it just becomes ugly. But that's the mat. It will probably go in front of the tub. Full grip. I will not be using this one here just because we don't need it. They have mats here in the bathrooms, so I'll just keep it in the box. And the shower curtain as well, because I've got a shower curtain here. I'll only use this here. I'll put it there, as well as, yay, this doesn't look like toothpaste can go in here, guys. Can toothpaste go in here? I have to check. But that's my set like that. This one doesn't have a holder. Ugh. Didn't think of that. And the soap dish, which is cool. It's got holes. No, but the holes are not from the top. Don't know why I got excited by holes. But, and then the shower curtain. Anyways, that's that. How do I close this now? I think like this, yeah. And lastly, we've got this set, guys. I had to ask babe. We need to wash this as well. Throw it in the dishwasher. This is how many pieces? 14 pieces. So that means there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pots and pans, combination of pots and pans, with one pan, frying pan without a lid, and the others have lids, counting those lids as a piece. And then it comes with that these extra things for using to cook: spatula, ladle, and a spoon. And this as well, I took it by myself because babe is responsible for the kitchen stuff, but I took it because it was on sale, guys. So it was like $70. And I was like, hey, if it's on sale, we're taking it. So yeah, I will open this. You guys can see I'm not gonna open it now, but yes, guys. So now I'm gonna go shower because I came from the gym, I ate, and I'm gonna shower. And guys, guess what? I'm starting work tomorrow. Your girl got a job. Did I even tell you guys? I got a job. Okay, this is just in the bathroom. I got a job. This is the one for, kind of looks the same. Obviously, it's not the same feel, but hey, I got a job, guys. I got a job and I am starting tomorrow. So I need to prepare. I need to firstly get out of my horrible habit of sleeping after midnight at like 1 a.m. because obviously I can't be doing that anymore. I need to wake up, but I'm starting at 10 a.m. until 6 p.m., which is amazing for a night owl like me, but I'm going to try to sleep early. And I possibly also am going to start using an editor. I am trialing a video editor to see what he can do, and if I like his work, he's gonna edit my videos, because obviously with work and everything, I will not have much time to edit. I've already been struggling this week just with everything, the move and everything. But yeah, anyways guys, I'm just now chatting up, but yeah, that is what I got this time. I'll probably buy more stuff tomorrow since I'm going to be out of the house. I'll stop at the shop after work because, you know, it's me. I can stop at a shop, and I probably will think I need to buy veggies. I finished the cabbage that I cooked on Monday, so I need to get more veggies. But yeah guys, I will see you guys later. Toodaloos.